أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
أصحاب الجحيم ولن ترضى عنك اليهود ولا النصارى حتى تتبع ملتهم قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعد الذي جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا نصير.
And never will the Jews or the Christians approve of you until you follow their religion. Say, indeed the guidance of Allah is the only guidance. If you will follow their desires after what has come to you of knowledge, you would have against Allah no protector or helper.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Those to whom we have given the book recite it with its true recital. They are the ones who believe it. And whoever disbelieves in it, it is they who are the losers.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين.
Children of Israel, remember my favor which I have bestowed upon you and that I preferred you over the worlds.
واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها عدل ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون.
And fear a day when no soul will suffice of another soul at all, and no compensations will be accepted from it, nor will any taxation benefits it, nor will they be indicted.
وإذ ابتلى إبراهيم ربه بكلمات فأتمهن قال إني جاعلك للناس إماما قال ومن ذريتي قال لا ينال عهد الظالمين.
And mention, O Muhammad, when Abraham was tried by his Lord with commands and he fulfilled them. Allah said, indeed, I will make you a leader for the people. Abraham said, and of my descendants. Allah said, my covenant does not include the wrongdoers.
وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى وَعَهِدْنَا إِلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ أَن طَهِّرَا بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْعَاكِفِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ.
And mention, when we made the house a place of return for the people and a place of security, and take believers from the standing place of Abraham, a place of prayers. And we charged Abraham and Ismail, saying, Prayerfully, my house for those who perform tawaf and who are staying there for worship, and those who bow and prostrate in prayer.
وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا وارزق أهله من الثمرات من آمن منهم بالله واليوم الآخر قال ومن كفر فأمتعه قليلا ثم أضطره إلى عذاب النار وبئس المصير.
And mention, when Abraham said, my Lord, make this a secure city and provide its people with fruits, whoever of them believes in Allah and the last day, Allah said, and whoever disbelievers, I will grant him enjoyment for a little, then I will force him to punishment of the fire, and vertage is the destination.
صدق الله العظيم.